The Ram guys have officially entered the chat. They say the 6.4-liter Hemi is the king of the gassers. I put it to a vote, and the results were massive. 53% of you said the Hemi MDS cylinder deactivation is an absolute deal breaker. Today, we're looking at the raw fleet data. We've got ranchers hitting 100,000 miles and heavy haulers grossing 26,000 pounds. Is the Hemi Tick a myth, or is the L8T the only real asset left in the HD world? Let's look at Patriot 5526. He's running two 6.4-liter Hemis on the ranch, both over 100,000 miles with zero issues. Why? Because he's a maintenance hawk. The data tells us the MDS lifters are hypersensitive to oil quality. On a ranch, these trucks aren't sitting in traffic, they're working. High oil volume at operating RPM is what keeps these rollers alive. But here's the L8T reality. I don't have to cross my fingers that a solenoid fails or a lifter starves. The L8T doesn't have MDS to begin with. It's not luck. It just ain't there. Viewer Alex Grind and Shine 2522 spent 12 years as a mechanic. He points out that the Hemi Tick is often a broken exhaust manifold bolt. He's right. That's common, relatively easy to fix. But he also highlighted something we talk about a lot on this channel. Lower oil pressure at idle is the enemy of modern pushrod engines. While the Hemi needs 16 spark plugs and a prayer to stay efficient, the L8T is just a bored out iron block tank. I'd rather swap a manifold bolt on a Saturday than a camshaft on a Tuesday. And then we have Tyler McConnell 217, who says the Chevy is hideous and I should have bought a GMC. Look, the GMC, it's a great looking truck, but let's be real. Those weird orange reflectors on the side, they don't change the gear ratio. Under the skin, it's the same L8T and it's the same frame. I bought this Silverado 2500 HD to work, not to win a beauty pageant. I'll keep my ugly front end and my savings for the next set of tires. If you're having fun on this video, that like button. Check out this report from Big Murph 1447, grossing 26,000 pounds and holding 4,000 RPM over the mountains. This is exactly where the L8T shines. It's a long stroke engine built to live at high RPMs under heavy load. Most Hemi owners complain about the 8-speed hunting gears. The L8T is designed to pick a gear, hold 4,000 RPMs, and pull until the mountain is over. No MDS cycling and no complexity. Just raw mechanical grit. Even the most loyal Ram owners know exactly what they're up against. Look at this comment. He's got a 75th edition Power Wagon with 79,000 miles. He does all the maintenance. And he's so worried about MDS that he stays in 8th gear, manual select, just to lock out cylinder deactivation. His exact words: I cross my fingers and always question if there's a tick or not. That's the difference with the L8T. I'm not crossing my fingers, I'm just driving.